Okay, hey guys, we're going to show you a racing sim here. This setup has a Honda S2000. It's a real Honda S2000 racing, not racing chair, but it's the OEM chair. And then on TV here, the video is coming from the laptop. We're playing a PC game. It's Assetto Corsa. It's a racing sim. The course that I'm on is Mid-Ohio. And the car that I'm using is an AP1 Honda S2000. I think the sound's kind of loud, so I'm going to speak up. The AP1 S2000 has the 2.0 liter engine, which allows it to go up to 9,000 RPMs. So you can see the tachometer is all the way to 9. And we're playing with a Logitech G920 steering wheel, and it has a 6-speed shifter and a clutch. Assetto Corsa, in my opinion, the physics feel really good, especially having driven this course in real life. The undulations on the track and where I brake and the way I drive feels authentic. So we're going to go around this track and kind of demo and talk about how it feels to drive. Alright, second gear, take it all the way to red line. Notice that the speedometer is reading a lot higher. That's because that's in kilometers per hour. Alright. Speed right now is about 118, 120. Hit the brakes. Full brake, feel the toe, red match, second gear. There we go. It's about 54 miles per hour going through there. Okay, I'm going into what do we call this? Honda Bridge. Yeah, Honda Bridge. And the S's. And this is called Thunder Valley. You can see the Mid-Ohio Sports Car Course. We're in the bridge. We're going to approach the carousel here. Physics-wise, when you're driving with the steering wheel, it does feel pretty good. This wheel has some force feedback. This is my first time using this wheel. I have a different wheel at home, and I don't know, you want to come in and take a look at the wheel? Zoom in? This is Logitech. And
Okay, this wheel.
yeah, this wheel. This is a wheel for the Xbox. It's the G920. The thing that's really bad about the wheel is it has some kind of like sponge in the brake pad. It's supposed to help simulate pressure. It doesn't help because it's hard to push it all the way to 100%. Okay, here we go. Bad turn, should be a little bit closer to the apex. Okay, the drift there. See, are you getting the wheel on footage?
Which one?
Oh, there's footwork and everything.
Not footwork.
Yeah, maybe try to go back out a little bit. Having fun, get a little oversteer. Alright, we'll do a fun drift run. Not full drift, but just to get familiar with the traction, and then we'll do a time attack run. Okay, so you just slide the car, see how it oversteers, zero counter steer, four wheel drift. Be able to pick up everything, heel and toe. So, heel and toe down kick there, second gear. Oversteer it. Okay. Obviously that's not fast. But the good thing about doing that, you practice your car control skills, also get a feel for your traction limits. So that when the next lap, and I go more into the time attack mode, I know where the grip levels are. Shifted there, had to throw it in second last minute, and then the car came around. Alright, after this lap, we're going to go into a more smooth driving style, okay? Alright, let's get a good exit speed here into the straightaway. Alright. RPMs. Brake, ease off, be smooth. Smooth steering. There we go. 9,000. Shit. In the fourth gear, brake at about the 200 mark here. I could have broke a little deeper there. You can see already, time-wise, I'm 1.6 and growing, 1.67 faster than the last lap where we were sliding around the corners. So speed-wise, 120, who knows, 124. See what the car's going to lose. Yep, there we go. Keep it smooth. Not the best. Can do better there next time. A little wide too. Time-wise, we're already up to 1.8 seconds faster. Brake pedal is kind of sensitive with the little brake mod that's in the brake pedal. Okay, we're already up 2 seconds by driving smoother. Now that I know the traction limit, I can go a little bit faster, go deeper into the braking zones. So a little deeper here. I had to catch it a little bit there. Not the best turn, but it's still good. Still out, about break even here. Kind of behind the ghost. A little deeper here. Alright, get ahead of the ghost. Okay, we're ahead of the ghost. Not by much, but still 0.05, 0.06. It's growing. 2011. Try to be smooth here. Cars just coming around. Still ahead of the ghost by 0.7 seconds. A little oversteer. Control that. There we go. So get in the third. Okay, we're up by 1 second now. We're up 2 seconds now. Where'd you go, Twitter? Okay. 1.44. Pretty good. Let's nail this corner. Alright, here we go. That's good. Good entrance. Up up by 0.2, 0.3. A little deeper. Much better. So you want to go easy on the gas as you're coming out the apex. Maybe a little lower, so it's from this angle. Alright. Oh, come in hot. That's too hot. That's it. See? Too deep. So 144 is not bad. I think my personal best is about 143. No, 142, somewhere around there, but that's pretty good for a start. Yeah, this wheel is decent for the game. There's more expensive wheels, but this does do a good job. And then with the shifter. That's it. Let's see. This is the AP1 S2000. You can see the AP1 tail lights there. Okay, I think that's it for the video. It's too long. Turn it off. Okay, thanks for watching.
Look, Jingle.
Oh, I don't want to see